Avimir's mission is to offer consumers a new level of digital security that is more secure, intuitive, and convenient. We develop alternatives to alphanumeric passwords by replacing words with interactive, multi-sensory experiences.
I guess it all began back when Tom Collett and I were partners in a technology consulting firm back in the 90s. You see, Tom has profound dyslexia, and managing passwords is a major problem for him, and he was really dedicated to coming up with a solution.
At first it was a hobby, but eventually resulted in our first patent. In 2010, he identified some programmers and asked me to partner with him on the project. We've been full-time for just over a year now.
We have since filed patents for additional multisensory methods of authentication that are based on non-alphanumeric prompts and responses.
Our go-to-market strategy is to solve the huge problem that the blind are facing with alphanumeric passwords. We have a collaborative agreement with the National Federation of the Blind and are engaging with the National Council for the Blind in Ireland to develop and promote a new global accessibility substandard.
Our next objective is to transition our existing applications to cloud products, mostly for the banking and mobile money markets. But that's really only the beginning.
The very nature of our methods overcomes challenges of language and literacy barriers in developing countries. This really opens up great opportunities in social services and microfinance.
The beautiful thing is that Avimir's methods are completely inclusive, and they can be deployed anywhere where passwords are currently being used. Ultimately, we aim to leverage the latest sensory technologies to develop a new standard in user authentication. We want to eventually eliminate the traditional password, which is really reaching the end of its usability.
By creating a multi-sensory experience for user authentication, we offer a new level of security for everybody, as well as providing a viable authentication option for wearable computers and interactive augmented technology. In the end, our methods are more secure, usable, and scalable than existing alphanumeric methods. More memorable, too.